Hi there, this is Dr. Lindsay Wilkinson. I just wanted to spend a minute talking about one of the therapies that I integrate into my office, into my practice a lot, and that's cranial sacral therapy. Some of you may have heard of it, some not, but essentially what it is it's a really gentle bodywork technique that can be used in so many ways to treat all kinds of different chronic patient conditions. So many times what I see is patients that have tried everything else for their headaches, is a great example. And have done all different kinds of migraine medications or over-the-counter herbs and supplements that haven't worked. Cranial sacral therapy is a really good next step. It's amazing the results that you can get from just doing some of this super gentle body work. So let me explain a little bit about what it looks like. So cranial sacral is, if you think about the cranium, the skull is a bunch of different small, delicate bones. And inside the cranium is like a bag that contains fluid. That fluid is called the cerebrospinal fluid, and it sort of bathes the brain in different nutrients, and it has a very regular, slow rhythm and flow of its own. So for lots of different reasons, if you got a blow to the head, if you were surfing and a surfboard hit your head, or you were in a car accident, or some babies get stuck in the birth canal on their way out. There's lots of different reasons why those cranial bones might be slightly out of alignment. And if they are, what happens is that fluid within that bag containing the brain can sort of be off, and that rhythm of the flow of the cerebrospinal fluid gets it becomes disjointed, it becomes irregular, and that can cause all different kinds of symptoms. And so what cranial sacral therapy does is it's a really gentle way to manipulate those cranial bones from the outside in order to re-establish the regular rhythm of cerebrospinal fluid and flow. So a few of the different things that I use to treat with cranial sacral therapy are headaches, chronic jaw problems. There's so many muscles and bones and ligaments that connect these bones from the cranium to the jaw, the mandible here. Lots of chronic throat issues, issues with difficulty swallowing. And then the sacral part of cranial sacral therapy is really working on the lower part of the spine. And I do a lot of pelvic floor work, so I integrate that a lot for things like chronic pelvic pain, digestive disturbance, low back pain, sciatica. All of those can be treated really effectively with cranial sacral therapy. So if you're interested in giving it a try, it's a really gentle treatment. Basically, you come in, you would do an intake with me so I could see really what's going on and figure out what the best kind of starting point for you would be. And you would do a series probably once a week for 4 to 5 weeks, and it's an hour-long session. It's very relaxing. Many patients fall asleep on the table or feel like they're going to take a nap, and it's just really amazing some of the results that you can get in terms of feeling better right away. So if you're interested, give our front desk a call at Kuan Yin Healing Arts Center. You can check out my website if you're interested to learn more about that. That's www.drdrlindsaywilkinson.com, and you can find me on Instagram at DocLindsayND as well. Okay, have a great day.